Question 7. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABC, that just means from point A to B to C, is 93 degrees, and so on. Points P and Q lie on the quadrilateral such that AP equals to AQ. Now we need to know what this means. Now AP means from A to P, and that is equal to from A to Q. So I'm going to mark those lines on the diagram just to show that they are equal lengths. Prove that triangle APQ is an equilateral triangle. Now, what does our equilateral mean? Well, equilateral means equal lines, so all sides are the same, and also all the angles come to 60 degrees. And we've got to show our workings out. So, what do we know? Well, we know that all the angles in a quadrilateral added to 360. So what we can do is work out the angle there, QAP. So we can say QAP, and we can work that out by saying 360, which is the whole angles in the whole quadrilateral, take away the ones that we know. So 85, 122, and 93. So we've got 360, take away, I'm just going to write the sum on the side, out the way, because I don't want to make any silly mistakes working this out. So add those together, comes to 10, 10, 20, 300. So 360 take away 300 to leave us with 60 degrees. Now it's always a good idea on your diagram to then jot on your answer 60 degrees. So that's going to give us at least one mark, and then we need to find out whether all the angles in this triangle are 60 degrees. Now what we do know is that this length and this length are equal. So if we've got a triangle where we've got two equal lengths, what that's telling us is that there's an isosceles triangle, and an isosceles triangle, we've got two equal angles. So we can say, right, well, let's work these angles out. So let's go for AQP. That's 180, because angles in a triangle added to 180. Take away the 60 degrees that we know, and because that and that are the same, we then have to divide by 2. Leaves us at 120 over 2, 60 degrees. AQP is the same as APQ, which means that all angles are 60 degrees. Therefore, an equilateral triangle.